Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here that's by the brand called Fairywill. And if you guys remember, I actually tested a product that's by this brand as a electrical toothbrush. This time it's this electrical cordless flosser that actually used to floss your teeth but with water, which is really interesting because I never actually owned or tested one of these before. And since this is cordless, that means you guys can actually bring this on the go, on the travel, where you guys are planning to go, so that way you guys can use this anywhere. So if you guys don't mind carrying this bigger product instead of like a small little flosser, then definitely bring this along with you. But if you guys do care, then obviously don't get one of these and get like the regular flossers to just floss your teeth. So first thing first, let me actually open up and show you what it looks like and what comes inside the package first. So they provide you a instruction guide and manual on how to set up the product and like a warranty card and a feedback card as well. So this one is the instruction card or how to like use the product and all the stuff that you probably want to know about the product before using it. Then here's the actual product itself right here, and then I believe these are some cables. Let's actually open up. So in the box there are a couple of the flosser tips to actually floss your teeth. They provide you a very nice cable to charge the product. So this product itself is actually waterproof, which is really nice. And the way how it works is that there's actually a couple buttons on here. So if you guys look over here, there's a normal, soft, and then there's a pulse one. So that's like the vibration, like the continuous motion one. How you guys would actually charge the product would be in the bottom right here, right below their logo, Fairywill. So there's actually a little plug right here where you can actually remove. And then you guys plug in the cable that they provide you, which is right here, to charge the product. So when you guys are not charging or fully charge the product, just put this little part back in. And then it's waterproof or water resistant, which is really nice. In the back part, you guys can see this little tube right here. If you guys remove it, you guys can actually add the water to floss your teeth with. So you just add it in there, and there's a little tube right here where it sucks up the water to floss your teeth. And then if you guys have like extra leftover water or something, this is a little part right here. Just open that up, pour all the water out. And you guys probably want to use new water every day because you don't want to leave the water in there for a really long time. So that's pretty much everything that comes inside the package. Now let's actually give it a try and turn it on and then actually test it out and see how it works and whether or not it actually works. Alright, so we got the Fairywill water flosser here. We're going to give it a try. I was actually able to try it a little bit already, and I have to say that you want to be careful when using this because it's actually really strong water pressure when you're just washing your teeth. And I'll show you guys an example right now first. Let me fill up the water first. Filling up the water into the bottle first. And using this flosser actually uses a lot of water. So right now it's full. Let's turn off the water. Put this onto this compartment right here, and then you can start using it. And also the product is actually really loud, but let me show you guys an example of what it looks like. So you will click the on button and control the setting of normal, soft, or pulse. So we're gonna use the soft one right now. So if you can see it's on soft mode right now. We're gonna turn it on just to show you guys what it'll look like if you guys were to use it. It's actually really powerful and really strong. So I'm not sure if you guys can hear that or not, but the pressure is actually really powerful and really strong. So it'll definitely get off everything that's in your teeth, but it's really powerful. So just be careful when you guys are using this product. So I'm gonna show you the example right now, but be really careful and make sure this point right here you guys are aiming it correctly, because if not, it's gonna be not working correctly. So I'll show you the example right now. Alright, so here we go. Alright, that is enough. And you guys can see now, you guys can definitely see what kind of a mess it makes. So in a way I do recommend it, but at the same time I do not recommend it because it creates such a big mess. But it does work and it's really powerful. So make sure if you guys do use this product, then use it somewhere where it's like you guys don't want to create a mess, because look at this. It is really bad. So when you're done using the product, all you gotta do is open this small little compartment right here and open up the gap to pour out all the water out, just like that. And then you're all done. And then you guys can use it again next time or next day or whenever you guys want to use it again. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see that actually works really well, and actually it's quite cool and actually feels kind of weird at the same time, because like that little water spraying your teeth is actually feels nice, but at the same time it feels really weird because it's so cold. Especially the water I use was cold, so it's just splashing water on like between my teeth to floss my teeth, which is really interesting. Would I say that it's actually a good alternative to flossing? Yes and no. Yes, because it actually works really nice, but at the same time, when you guys actually flossing, it's actually a little bit better because you guys are actually getting deeper in there, whereas this one not fully deeply getting in there. But this one's probably like a more safer and more less painful in a way, because sometimes when you floss, you want to really dig in there to actually clean everything that's in your mouth and whatnot. Whereas this is can only spray a certain amount of water so that way you can actually clean it. I would say that this product is actually worth it if you guys are planning to use it often and you guys are planning to use it like for traveling or something. If you guys are really lazy, you guys don't want to floss your teeth with a string like the ones that they give you, or the one that you guys can actually buy in the store with the flossers, then this one is actually a better alternative. But if you guys are someone who don't want to carry something so bulky with so much stuff, you just want to floss your teeth like regularly, then just bring your regular floss. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing and testing and feedback of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have